Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to record and export a song as a video file in C Music. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your MIDI device is connected. So you're just going to click on this this little top button here, the circle with little dots in the bottom of it, and you're just going to click on the MIDI input option and select it. It'll highlight in blue as soon as you select it. And this will make it so that your keyboard will actually be able to input to the C Music app. Of course, the keyboard's going to need to be plugged in via USB and powered. And the first thing we're going to do is make sure that this little button down here is clicked on. So there's a button down in the bottom right hand corner to the left of the big red button that says record. And this is going to need to be highlighted in blue, not grayed out, because otherwise you're going to get an error. If this is off and you hit record, it's just going to say MIDI and audio recording are both currently disabled. Please enable MIDI audio recording to record. So you're going to need to make sure that this is turned on. And to record, we're just going to hit this big red button, and then we can play whatever we want. So I'll just play a song. And that will record, and then when you're done, you just hit the record button again. It's going to prompt you to name the file, so I'm just going to name it my song. And you're just going to hit create piece, and that's going to make a new piece which is now going to be stored in the app. And to actually export this as a video file, you're going to want to click on the little button here that looks like a little movie button up here. It's the second one down from the top right corner. Just click on this. And just going to hit the not now button, and then it'll say export, and then there's a little gear icon here that you can click to change settings. You can change frame rate from 30 to 60, you can change the resolution from 720 to 4K I think. There's a bunch of aspect ratios you can fiddle around with, and video codec things you can change. There's also a bunch of other settings that I have no idea what they do. And we're just going to hit render, and that is going to prompt a place where we want to save it. So in this case it's going to be the desktop, so I'm just going to hit save, and it will render, and it shouldn't take too long, but I'll be back when it's done. Alright, and once it's finished rendering, it'll just say render complete, and just hit OK. And it will save to wherever you've saved it to, so I've saved it to the desktop, so it's going to be over here. So when I click on this, it will open up a video file now. It'll be saved as an MP4 file. And as you can see, we can see all the notes coming down the screen, and it's perfect. So that's how you record a C Music video file using the C Music app in the mobile version. There's two different GUIs or user interfaces that you can use. So this is probably the most common one. It's one you normally start off with, but there's also a desktop mode which looks a bit different, but I've already done a video on that. So yeah, that's how you do it. Have a nice day.